how to add digital signature in Photoshop. Here I have my demo signature ready to be included here on this point. So firstly, what I am gonna do is select the signature layer and go to channels and copy the red channel. And after that, go to image and go to adjustments, and I'm gonna adjust the curve. And after that, click on OK. And what I will do is go to the selection channel here. And after that, go to select and click on select inverse. Now, I will go to this layer and select a solid corner and click on OK. And I'm going to delete this layer 1. Now after that, you can simply drag your signature. You can use Ctrl T and select the sizes for the signature. And in this way, you can add digital signature under any documents on Photoshop.